Okay, so for this problem, I can understand why you might be a little stumped. There's a lot of words going on here, and you have to be able to translate those words into an equation. So Eugene wrote a riddle. A positive number is 5 less than another positive number. 6 times the lesser number minus 3 times the greater number is 3. Find the two positive numbers. So the first thing that we're going to do to set up this problem is designate letters for the two positive numbers. So it says in the first sentence, a positive number is 5 less than another positive number. Well, let's think about this like actual numbers instead of theoretical. What if I told you that there is a number 10 and there's another positive number that is 5 less than it? Well, that would be 5 and 10, right? What if I gave you 15? And another positive number, 5 less than that, is 10. For another example, let's say 18. And another positive number that's 5 less than it is 13. Okay, so they're telling us information here. A positive number is 5 less than another positive number. Well, we need to designate that using x's and some numbers. So they're telling us that there's a positive number x and another positive number that is 5 less than it. And that right there, these are the two numbers written in algebraic form. We've got x minus 5, this is our lesser number, and x, which is our greater number. Okay, now that we have our two numbers written in algebraic form, we can move on to the second sentence, and we'll read it kind of slow and in pieces. It says 6 times the lesser number. Okay, so that would be 6 times the lesser number, which is x minus 5, minus 3. So it said 6 times the lesser number minus 3. Oh, not minus 3, but minus 3 times the greater number. Well, the greater number is just x. Is 3. Is always means equals. And now that we're here, this should look a little more familiar to a problem that you've solved. The first step is we need to distribute in that 6, so we end up with 6x minus 30 minus 3x equals 3. The next step is we're going to add, add 30 to both sides here, plus 30, and we need to combine this and this as well. So 6x minus 3x would combine to be 3x, 6 minus 3. And then that cancels out, and we have this equaling 33. Last step, divide by 3 to do the opposite function. This was being multiplied, so we do the opposite by dividing. Divide by 3 on both sides, you end up with x equaling 11. 33 divided by 3. Okay, so we found our greater number. Our greater number is 11. Well, they said in the first sentence, a positive number is 5 less than another positive number. Well, if x is 11, that means your other positive number is 11 minus 5, and I'm getting that from right here. 11 minus 5 is 6. The two positive numbers are 6 and 11.